everyone, we're at NBL Virginia watching the NBL qualifier, day 1 center court matches. This is Salvador Van Zveiten versus hitter Vogel.
Practice this for a while.
Let's go
here for a
TJ
treat.
Shane. It's really hot in here. Oh my god. Can we get something going on with like the frame? Can we open up that back one?
Great, so the mic's on. Yeah, go right ahead.
We have out there.
Hey, so the boys are here.
Shane and Shane.
Shane and Shane are here. We're just going to do a little commentating on this live qualifier match we got here.
It's the pass there by Van Zveiten. He rips. Nice dig. Vogel.
Well, I'll tell you, if every rally is going to be like that, we're going to be in for a treat.
They're doing this one for the fans, boys. This is all for the fans.
You guys can't see the stands, but they're full. They're full as a glass of water that's half full.
They're getting pretty rowdy out there, too. The ref just had to turn around and tell them to shut up.
Yeah, calm down, fans!
Quit it.
All right, so it looks like we got Salvador Van Zveiten and Kidder Vogel. I know you're very close to both of these teams. I know you shared a one-bedroom apartment with John Salvador.
Yeah, Salvi.
What was the sleeping arrangement there?
So it was really tough. We actually had bunks, but they were both blow-up mattresses.
Okay, so did you have any kind of structure?
It was like one on top of the other. The thing, it's surprisingly comfortable underneath the first.
So you were just on top of your air mattress, just right on top of it?
We rotated every night, but yeah, it was.
Okay, wow. So you can't really be a mover in your sleep if you were on the
If you're
bottom?
on the bottom, you can't move for that night.
Okay. Well, that's tough, but that is good adversity.
And Road Dog's gotta live the way Road Dog's gonna live.
I think Johnny probably bring that intensity and adversity in this match.
Mentally, it keeps you strong. See that drop? That out of bounds. See, he wouldn't have been able to do that without the mental adversity.
So what do you know about Steve Van Zveiten? I know that's your roommate's partner.
I'm talking to Johnny a lot about this, actually. GFY, you see what's on the back of his shirt?
Yes, I do.
I'm not quite sure what it stands for, but he was talking a lot about GFY.
Okay.
And the white sand socks, he actually does that as a mental distraction to the other team. So while he's putting his shots, the other team's like, wow, look at his white socks.
Wow.
You should use that right there, actually.
That's good for your team. That's right. I'm actually thinking, I got a close look. I think it's going to Go Fund Yourself.
Go Fund Yourself. Is that what it is?
Because I think that's off of GoFundMe. And I think that they're a little tired of people. I think they're saying that they should make their own money and not try to get it online.
That is a little clever of him.
Only thing is, I'm starting to thinking about starting a GoFundMe page to fund my camping trip this winter.
How do you think they'll feel about that?
I don't think they'll like it because I think they're against GoFundMe. But listen, I want this camping trip to be top notch. I don't want to be putting in money on my own,
Yeah, it's tough to afford camping trips these days.
Yeah. It's tough enough to get a hotel. I wouldn't consider that. So what's the next trip you can take a camping trip?
You're living on a Road Dog budget. There's only so much you can do.
You ever sleep outside? Just no camp, Like no campsite, nothing, no hammock, you sleep outside.
We've all done it.
Yeah, I don't know if I have. I'm really trying to.
I've done that with you.
You know when?
Back when we were working the Winterberg Open.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was a good one.
They didn't provide us any sleeping arrangements, so.
My memory really gets slipped sometimes. I'll tell you that. So how's it going on score here? Can you see the score?
Yeah, it is. Hold on, we changed it. It's 9-6, and Kidder and Vogel are winning.
So that's not a switch.
What's the score check?
I think it's 8-6.
It was 8-6, and they just scored 4.
Yeah. Okay. So I think Steve Kidder's a local.
Kidder was, okay.
Oh,
Nice little touch there by him.
And I know Van Sweden Salvador from Florida. I think they moved to Florida after they were banned from Minnesota, not following. Well, I think it was tax evasion actually.
No, I heard it wasn't tax evasion. It was just a rumor, actually. Big rumor.
Big spikes over there.
That's a smart play there. That's a newer rule, yeah. So what happens there is, see how it looked like he directed that block? That's illegal now. The only thing is you can't change the direction. So let's say I was looking like I was going to go forward with it, and then swung it to the right. Can't do that. If I went right with it the entire time, that's legal.
Mark Bjork actually taught me that. We were practicing, and he just dunked the ball, and I said, "You can't do that, Mark." He said the rule changed.
You practiced with Mark Bjork?
Yeah. He's a real family man. Yeah. I'm actually heading over to Spain with Mark Bjork. If you want to check it out.
What are you going to be doing there?
Doing some coaching over in Spain for the month of October. Volley Camp Spain. If you want to check it out on Facebook. It's going to be a lot of fun over there. It's an all-inclusive resort, so right on the beach.
Sounds like a good time.
Yeah.
You speak Spanish?
I do. I'm actually back in my home country of Mexico. We have this saying: the shrimp that sits in the bottom of the river gets swept away from the current. And if I was going to translate that, it would translate completely differently. So I'm not going to say that for Mexican Spanish-speaking viewers. All right. Quick shout out to our Mexican Spanish-speaking viewers. If you're enjoying the game here, can we check out our comments here?
All right, we got a 11-9 serve coming.
If you want to give us a shout out,
going to switch.
Give us a shout out on Facebook. Give us a comment. We'll be sure to respond. If you have any questions, concerns, we'll be sure to get back to all of those. So we got our switch coming up here. Let's see who's going to go with the momentum.
Oh, nice dig there. Good, nice little play there by the far side. You know, switch here, technical timeout.
You know what he calls that spike?
No, what's he call that one, Shane?
The West Side Samurai.
Why'd you call it that?
Because you can't do that on the East Side.
Huh?
We're going to go and do a quick timeout. Let you guys know.
Alright, starting back up with 12-9 serve here. We got Vogel and Kidder winning. Let's see what we go off. Serve and Zveiten there floating. I think it was moving.
Spike blocks.
Reached over on that.
question for you. Chris.
What's the question?
Shane. If you were stranded on an island, you could bring one item. Not a volleyball. We all know you brought a big
You
bat.
know I was going to pick one.
Yeah, but not a volleyball.
How did you know? I'll tell you what. Think about this one a little bit. You know what? I would bring my Pit Viper sunglasses.
Oh, yeah? Why is that?
You know, they're pretty durable. They're used for a lot of sun protection. And, you know, they're affordable too. If you use my, this code, Viper Spiker, I heard it gives you 20% off.
I heard it gives you 30% off.
I heard it's 20, but I mean, you know.
I think it's 30.
No, I'm not sure if anybody really knows what percentage off you're getting.
You know what I'd bring?
What would you bring?
Metal detector.
Metal detector.
So
Why is
then I
that?
could find, like, metal.
What if there's no metal on the island? That was just a waste of time.
Every island has metal. I could find gold and start my own gold. Hey, we got a special guest, Shane, here.
Shane's here.
Shane Donahue. It's the
Real
Shane Donahue. You have anything to say to our viewers? Shane Donahue actually got married a couple months ago. Some would say that he threw his life away.
You know, he hasn't been showing up that much with the boys anymore, and, you know, we're just a little disappointed.
But back to
But he's out here now. So,
back to
13-11.
this game here. Spike coming.
Oh,
Fake spike.
son, your son. I thought he had that one.
So I got a question for you. You know what Kidder's wearing on his arm? Is that like some kind of like strap for like holding a baby if it's got kids or something?
No, I don't think it's about the children here. I think this one is for his own pain, maybe. Maybe he's got a little bit of elbow problems.
Yeah, maybe he could be like an Iverson because you know he wears that. Sure, he wears that.
He does look like an Allen Iverson fan, if I've ever seen him.
I actually ran into Allen Iverson in Tijuana 3 summers ago, and I said, Iverson, what's your secret to success? He said, success is in tree trunks. I said, what are you talking about? He said, this is it.
Whoa! But we got a little fan difficulty over here.
We got a fan now.
Fan down.
So these players are out here battling the heat. Do you have any suggestions on how to kind of weather the heat out here?
So weather the heat, you know, I have a few tricks up my sleeve on that one.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the week before the tournament, I like to go into a sauna for
Yes.
about 4 hours a day, mentally prepare for this heat.
Yep.
What do you like to do though?
I actually do the opposite of you. I like to go in really cold, frigid environments, and I shock my body. So my body doesn't even know
It's cold or hot?
Yeah.
So are you sweating a lot extra, or how does that work out for you?
I actually haven't sweat since 2009 because of my new technique.
I'll have to try that out next week.
Got another question for you.
Yeah.
Would you, if you had the opportunity, you get $3,000, you have to stay in a 38-degree freezer for 20 hours. You have a sweatshirt on, but you have shorts. So you can kind of make like the blanket where you put it over your knees.
You know, I'm gonna talk to you about this a little bit. I think that if I was doing that, I mentally think I can do it, but it might not be as easy as it sounds.
Well, see, if you did that for like 12 hours and then you bailed, that'd be brutal. If you just spent 12 hours and then 38-degree freezer for nothing.
But I might as well try it. It's a lot of money.
Yeah, and that's also good mental training. That's the kind of mental training that you need to take to the next level.
Sometimes you need to fail to succeed.
What kind of mental training do you think these players are doing?
Now, we got a, let's see, 15-14. Nice little comeback there by Zveiten and Salvador. And